got clean air, you too can have clean air in your small shop. Welcome to the WoodShop stop, guys. This is Roger. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you a new addition to my shop. I made this the other day. I didn't bother making a video on how to make it because there are so many videos online on YouTube showing you how to make this particular filtration system. All I did was buy four 1 by 20 by 20 by 1 inch filters, furnace filters, and then all I did is I glued them together. I glued everything together. I'll show you. As you can see, it's pretty simple. It's just duct tape. That's all I used was duct tape to make this filtration system. And I had an old 20-inch fan that I was able to use for it. I used that fan periodically to stick it in the door and open the door and suck out fumes and that kind of thing. But this will be used a lot more, and it'll be more beneficial, I think, as far as trying to keep the air clean in the shop. I've got an old fan for filtration, but I don't really care for that one as much. That one doesn't seem to do that great a job, although it does get clogged up with wood dust. But you can see that this is pretty simple. I turned mine on its side just so you could see, just so I can have easier access to the knob if I do hang it up. But you can see that the knob's on the side there, and how I just used tape to put it together. I did make a hardboard bottom for it, so it's sitting on a 1/4 inch hardboard, and that's all there is to it. But as you can see, it's pretty simple. These furnace filters were about $5 and I don't know, 60, 70 cents, 5.60 or something, somewhere in there for each one of them. So it was over $20 for all four filters, and I think that's worth it. And they'll probably last about a year, maybe a little longer. If I could probably just blow them off periodically, take them outside and blow them all periodically, I can get more use out of them. But as you can see, there's not much to it. I see these Lasco fans, these 20-inch fans. At one time, I bought a couple of them, and they were only like $19 each, I think, for these 20-inch fans. They're just cheap Chinese fans, I'm sure. But now I see them at Walmart, and they're over $25 for one of these fans. So everything's gone up. You can see that everywhere you go. But I just wanted to make a quick video and show you what I had going on in the shop here lately. And that's all I wanted to say today in this video. Just a short video to show you my new air filtration system that I put together on the cheap, probably roughly about $25. And I had an existing fan, so that I bought years and years ago, so I've got my money's worth out of that. So it was pretty cheap to put this air filtration system, and it was very a quick build. There was not that much to it, just a matter of duct tape. Oh, there was the cost of the duct tape. That was $4 basically, $3.90 something. So I mean, we got almost under $30 still for air filtration system. And I've seen a lot of these air filtration systems online, the builds for them, so I didn't bother making a build video for this air filtration system. So you can look them up and see how they do them. They even have kits that you can buy to put together your air filtration system. They have some that are kind of fancy. So, but mine's a basic one, and I think it'll serve its purpose and do me a real good job in the shop. to help keep the air a little bit cleaner in here. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing and hit the like button, hit the share button, make a comment if you'd like. Hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when the next videos come out. So I appreciate it, and signing out.